Good morning, investors. Welcome to the 26th of September 2014 market review. Trade for today is called Vodacom. VOD is the code. Last traded price is 128.50. Action is to trade in a long, buying low, selling high. Entry level will be at a level of 127.87 on the dotted blue line. Stop loss level to be used is 125.52. Target is on the green line is 132.57. You will see most of the shares are out. MTN was activated yesterday on the 25th of September. Monday also out of the trade, as well as FSR was in and out. Looking at the top 40 index, after the sell-off of the Americans yesterday started early in their trade yesterday afternoon on Thursday, the top 40 index started to follow downwards, and that's the blue line. You have the top 40 shares on the JSE, and they're still trading under the 5-day and the 20-day moving average on the top here, confirming a bit of a downside. Looking at your top indexes, the Dow Jones Industrials of the US markets, they closed 264 points negative. So this is a day late indication on the chart. They closed here on a 16,945 level, just underneath here. Looking at this moving average, the markets are quite wary. It came down and now it's trading just under this 50-day moving average. That's a big concern to them. Gold started to moving up from $1,206 per ounce to back to $122 per ounce. And you could have seen traders going back to the safe haven. And the rand and dollar sitting at 11.20. Very high, very expensive. Looking at the J200 itself, there's the loss it had, and it came down with a big bang. Now if you're going to call up your Bollinger Bands, broke the support here at the bottom, broke down to a level of 44,450 points. In the course of the morning it opened a bit positive, turned and went totally negative. So we need to see how the markets will react after this little breakdown on the indexes, and we're expecting the European markets to open a bit flat and most probably the German market a bit negative. The US futures are currently a bit positive, but we need to track it closely because it can change at any time. Looking at your retailers, ShopRite reacted to this fall down. Still got this low here of 136.56 at the bottom here. Still trading between the purple and the green line downwards. A lot of negativity. Mr. Price also came down from the previous highs. Lost something much more after it was at 218. Currently trading at 205. It lost almost 13 rand in a question of 2 days. Currently trading at 205.20, and next support levels here is at 203.51. Looking at Willys. Willys also lost a lot of volume, and it's coming down to this 161.8% on the Fibonacci. That's close to the 66 rand level and currently trading at 68 rand. Looking at your MTN, lost a lot of value as well. Now look at this pattern playing out. Leg, shoulder, head, shoulder. And if you can break this 239 levels, orders 233 levels, can go back to the 217 levels, but we need to track this market closely. Vodacom had a nice pattern of the reversal head and shoulder pattern. Only share that moved up yesterday, as you can see, always against the market sometimes, trading at 128.50. There's the head and shoulder pattern, and the big question is, can you break this 150 rand and go higher? But still in a sideways pattern between the purple and the green. We'll be waiting for next week to track this closely. Looking at Imperial, More downside was due. Trading currently at 166 Rand. Expectation low is 160 at this moment. Still in the downward channel as well. Let's go into the banking sector. Well, Barclays got a big hiding. Trading at 154.55, broke to support of 156.88. Next expectation low could be on this levels here, close to the 151, 152 levels again. Standard Bank stayed a bit there at this moment, 132 Rand, current low is 132, still in a downward channel between the green and the purple. Need to see if this is going to be a bounce up again, because there could be some bargain hunters trying to get back into this market on this low prices after this big drop on the US markets. But they will keep close eye during this duration what's going to happen. So this is the Friday. Enjoy it. Have a chat on Monday. Let's see what this market brings up for today.